This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kelly Watson. Well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath plus loft home in the highly desirable community of The Farm at Riverpointe. This open floor plan features a large kitchen with island and granite countertops that overlooks a breakfast nook and spacious great room with gas fireplace. The bright sunroom off the kitchen is currently being used as a dining area. Formal living room/den greets you upon entry. Large primary bedroom with walk-in closet leads to the primary bath with shower, garden tub, and a dual vanity. Upstairs also features 2 additional bedrooms, a second full bath and spacious loft. Flat backyard with patio. Tankless water heater. The Farm at Riverpointe has award-winning amenities including a clubhouse, pool with slides, dog park, soccer field, tennis courts and playground. For more information,